Welcome back to my channel after so many years. Today I'm going to unbox my new Harry Potter Lego set Flying Ford and Leah. Hey, here it is. It just came from Amazon. It has 165 pieces. It includes Harry Potter and Ron Weasley. It comes with Hedwig and Scabbers. Age group is 7+. Now let's unbox it. Instruction manual, packet 1, packet 2 and a small page of stickers. Now let's start. Let's see what is written in the instruction manual and assemble it accordingly. So first we have to open bag number 1. Let's open it. Is Ron's mouse and he already came from the packet. I made Ron from the packet and I made half of the car from the packet. Now let's start on the second bag. The car is ready. Now let's make Harry and Ron sit in it. And now let's put Harry's suitcase and Ron rat in the boot, and now let's close it, and now she will fly behind them.
रेडी?
काय काम करणं?
तुला असं खालून चालेल का?
त्याच्यात हॅरी आहे, हेडविग आहे, स्कॅबर्स आहे, बॉन्ड्स आहेत.
करूया चालू मग ना.
थांब. हाय. काय बोलायचं होतं असेंबल